Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Off-Road Recon. While we are in short supply of new dynamic content for our channel, as we eagerly await going on our next overlanding or off-road adventure across the states, we wanted to put together some quick videos here at home for you guys. These are the trips that we take on the weekends, and we have a lot of fun doing it. So sit back, enjoy these videos. Don't forget to hit that like button. If you haven't already done it, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Thanks again. We can't make it down this. I don't think we can even make it down this. I'm gonna have to back up. This is Glade Top Trail in Missouri. The thing about riding out here at Glade Top Trails is a lot of these trails were created for side-by-sides. It's a that was a UTV trail, so it's really narrow.
I drove that all the way through. It's a cool trail.
Caterpillar right there. A wasp fell in the car and Claire's freaking out. His belly didn't rub because he's not as long.
Yeah.
Because we're stretched out when the front wheels drop down the back wheels, it bottoms out.
Can we go up the waterfall?
Yeah, just be careful, it's slick.
We've got yellow and purple. We're trying to find a different color than yellow and purple. Do you want to hold them, Mommy?
This is dead end here.
I don't know, we'll have to turn around. So it never fails. I think always on our night rides when we're in a hurry to get back to camp, usually to eat, you always run into these trails where you don't know exactly where they go and you think that it's going to be a shortcut. Turns out to be a dead end. You got to backtrack your way all the way back out. That's kind of what happened to us here. It got too dark for footage, but as you can see, we made our way back to camp now to eat some much needed ribeye steak.
That was math.
You got everybody on edge, man.
Day 2.
As I turn traction control off, I full power.
Huh. Well, this front,
I've had that issue before.
this front driver,
I got a puppy flower. They look like little Hawaiian flowers.
Yeah, just see if you got any slop knocking around or not. It shouldn't move that much. Go move the other side, I bet it.
then it looks like you, I don't know for sure, but looks like you might have the original ball joints in here.
I don't know. A ball joint wouldn't cause the traction control to malfunction. It's got to be a wheel bearing. Again, I've changed them on both sides.
That doesn't make sense, man.
What is it?
Silver.
You guys want some fruit?
Silver ore. Platinum. See it?
What is it?
Fried dinosaur. Look.
I think so. Pass by some little yellow ribbons.
Yeah, I don't know. We've been following these hilltops. Do the front ones, I'll get them out.